Oh, shit.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up.
Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're doing something, I can't say we're doing something different. We're doing something. I just wanted to pick the camera up and I wanted to film. I was kind of disappointed with the last 3 videos. If you guys watch consecutively, vlog 1 continued, and vlog 1 continued. That was all filmed and edited to go into one video. Problem was a formatting issue of some sort, even though all the pictures and videos that I had came off of this device. Something changed in the middle of the day. It would not allow it to upload like one solid. It had to be 3 individual pieces, and I was very unhappy with it. I kind of took a week off. Just sometimes you just gotta let go, take a breather, take a step back from what you're doing, come back and try it again. So that's what we're doing today. We're trying again. Don't know how much of this you're actually gonna see, but we are cruising to work as always. But yeah, welcome back to the channel, guys. Let's jump into it. Alright, guys, we made it to work. So you know when you're getting older and fatter, but you don't realize you're getting older and fatter? Well, I had one of the moments where I knew I was a big person. I didn't realize how big I was getting. And I don't know, flack in the comments, oh, you know, truck drivers need to work out and maintain their bodies, blah, blah, blah. My truck has been damaged for about 4 weeks. This is the only time I'm going to talk about it because it's kind of embarrassing. But I lost my footing as I was climbing in the truck one day, and I fell and grabbed the only thing I could. They have yet to fix it. You guys see anything missing there? Yeah. That's a door handle missing. Yeah, I got plenty of fuel. Go ahead and walk back here, grab his dolly, put it on said lead. Good Lord, son. Always look at his My hands are greasy. We're going to go ahead and turn this around. Yep. Easy as pie. Easy as pie, boys. Pin and 2 locks. But what I was saying earlier was start a diet. Now, I don't know how well I'm sticking on this diet. Due today I didn't pack a lunch. But it's just it's how it works sometimes. Okay, that was good. Alright. So you're looking for a gap. Come under here. Look at the kingpin. Is it closed? Seems closed. Dolly leg up. Yeah. So definitely started a diet. I'm struggling already. 4 or 5. Especially when you're driving a truck and you don't get much exercise. You sit in one spot for 14 hours a day. It's not healthy. I've been battling it 3 years now. And just because I can't drop the weight doesn't mean you can't drop the weight. Now guys, all we gotta do is fill this paperwork out, and then next time you see me, I'll most likely be in Eaton, Ohio, turned around with new trailers heading back. Come on, get out of that left lane, car. Some of us want to come out of this place. No need to ride in that left lane. I'm extremely heavy today. I can tell by how poorly my shifting has started out. Grinding gears and dragging them and shit. Pushing the limits. I'm not gonna push the limits. Yeah. Alright guys, that's the end of Hat Cam.
Know when your body feels so tired to get out of bed. You pour your heart on a letter to chase it away. Got sad and it's all because of you. Hey, what's gonna give you more time forever? Know what they say, only time will tell. You know what they say, and never really can. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I can't help myself but wonder if you still feel the way I feel. Are you sleeping with someone new?
Alright, you guys know me. I told you that I was gonna, the next time you'd see me in this video, I was gonna be over at the London meet and turn swapping out. We're way past that. So no sooner did I stop recording, my camera just randomly started doing an update. Check this shit out, bro. The audio should sound so much freaking better. I now got a dash cam, one camera that can record forwards and record backwards towards me, which is what you're looking at now. I don't know exactly if I have to hit any kind of a button. This is multi-view mode is on, okay? So, yeah, I got busy and started doing some research. This has got to be the coolest freaking thing for truck drivers, for people that vlog in the car all the time. Hell, this would work great for police officers. This absolutely would work phenomenal. If they could figure out how to get the camera to stop overheating, bruh, this is a game changer. An absolute game changer. I mean, I can't be any more happy. And like I said, the firmware update, they hit a lot about the audio quality. They fixed it. From what I heard, sounds phenomenal. But again, I'm stuck in that perpetual motion where it's like, you know, not everything's always going to be the same on the camera. Something could come loose while driving. I do hit some major bumps. But as of now, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to keep playing with the software, keep playing with the camera, figure some cool shit out. So I was on the 1-inch lens, now I'm on the 360 to get this multi-view thing going. I can't be happier. I literally couldn't be any happier. I'm stoked. And from what I heard, the audio from my practice clip sounded phenomenal. I mean, absolutely phenomenal. Which now, when I'm in the inner cities and I'm like, you know, at the terminal and stuff, you should be able to hear a lot more of the engine, a lot more of my. So, but with that said, guys, we're gonna go get back to trucking, and I'm gonna keep doing some research on this camera because this might be a regular view within my videos from now on. I really dig this shot where it can see me, it can see forward, it's flat, it's not 360. There's no editing that I have to do. I just vlog, one camera, 2 shots. Well, guys, I'd like to be able to come on here and update you guys on me eating something healthy. But I got to the meat point over here in Smithton and went in to go get me Caesar salad, croutons, you know, something a little healthy. There was, 5 or 6 guys ahead of me, and the workers in there, the way that they do it is they'll take an order and then they fulfill the order before they move to the next customer. So, for dinner, I ate 2 Slim Jims dipped in cheese sauce. I ate 2 packages of Reese cups. I ate a little tortilla chips dipped in that cheese sauce. So needless to say, I didn't eat healthy, which I'm not going to say I'm ashamed of it. It's just life out here on the road, something you got to deal with. Especially, you know, I could have probably sat there and waited for them to take my order and took an extra long lunch. I'm pulling empties back, but I mean, what's the point of waiting around and wasting an hour of your precious time when you could just grab. This truck's not very happy with me today. Well, you could just grab something quick, fast, and in a hurry, chomp it down as fast as you can, and be on your merry way. I feel like the brakes are dragging on these empties. Every time I'll come to a rolling stop down a hill. Don't ask me how I'm rolling stopping it down the hill, but nonetheless. But I don't know about that. I don't know. Like I said, I wish I could get on here and update you guys on a healthy meal. But no, I didn't get a healthy meal. I had Slim Jims. Which I ain't gonna lie, it didn't hurt my feelings that I had to eat Slim Jims and cheese dip. That's one of my ultimate favorite pastime snacks in a semi. But with that said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna call it here. I'm not feeling the greatest after that extremely thick caloric, how do I say this? Extremely thick caloric intake. I haven't eaten like that in a week and a half, 2 weeks, and it's just not sitting right on my belly. So always remember, keep trucking, guys. Oh, shit.